Hey everyone, Sharif at SS Customs. Today I want to talk to you about this car behind me. If you like German automobile engineering and you want a really big car for your family, the Mercedes GLS is pretty much going to be your catch. This customer came by, dropped off the vehicle with us to go ahead and do a full makeover project. So we went ahead and recommended her a couple things to give her the full experience of maybe Death Race or Batmobile or something like that. So there's a really aggressive look to it, but it looks pretty badass rolling down the road. We did a full body XPEL paint protection film for maximum protection to the exterior of the body. We also did it in a stealth finish, so pretty much satin clear on the entire exterior of the vehicle. Then we went ahead and did some powder coating in a gloss black to go ahead and kind of give a little bit of contrast between the satin black body. And we went ahead and changed the color of the calipers. It used to be like a silver gray, now it's red, so it pops pretty well and it matches with the taillights and all the other red accents that naturally come with the car. We went ahead and tinted out her taillights as well, and then did a chrome delete on all the exterior chrome, door handles, side window trim, taillight trim, and all the other bits and pieces, even the luggage guard area here in the back. We left the taillight tints red because they're kind of smoky red already, and they balance really well with the red calipers that we did on the vehicles. And pretty much when you put all those things together, it really changed the whole look of the vehicle, along with all the emblems and everything else we blacked out. This car pretty much isn't like any other GLS on the road here, and it's the newest body style, the newest interior. We'll try to see if we can grab the interior and exterior specs for you so you can check out how beautiful this car really is and how it came together. Let us know your thoughts below. And as always, we love hearing from you guys and checking us out on our YouTube channel. Thank you very much.
Hey.